Let's talk about memory card for the Sony ZV-1. This is a 4K camera and you need a card that's fast enough to record all the videos, okay? So here I have a SanDisk. This is a SanDisk Ultra with 120 megabytes per second. And this one has 64 gigabytes of capacity, but you can use 128, 512, and it works pretty fine, right? This is a class 10 card, so it's pretty fast and works with the camera. Just need to insert it here. You see, that's pretty easy. Just open this door and insert the card like so. There we go. Close it back. Then here I would just turn it on, and then you can format the card here in the menu. You come here to the setup number 4. I see here in this tab, setup number 4, you're gonna find the format option here. Okay, you just press to format the card and confirm. Just do it again. There we go. Enter to confirm, and it's formatting the SD card, right? Depending on the size, it's gonna take a long time, but this one is pretty fast. There we go. Formatting complete, and you're good to go. Okay, so let me just come here and press record. And then stop recording. And let me just come back here and play. You see here? I can just hit play. And it's working pretty fine. Recording here with 30 frames per second and 4K. So it works pretty fine. Okay, this card is pretty good. And just remember that this brand is pretty reliable. I use this a lot for years and it works pretty fine, all right? I'll leave the link here in the description. You can get yours on Amazon. And if you like this video, please subscribe, leave your comments, and I see you in the next one.